Good day, guys. My name is Sheon Afolabi, and people call me Sheon the Storyteller. Welcome to the Storyteller TV. Please, if you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe. Please, subscribe. And with me today on this episode of Life of a Storyteller, I have with me my wonderful friend. So I'll let her do her own introduction first.
Okay, my name is DAMILOLA ONI. People call me Kotokongo. Emini omo Kotokongo, Omari Kotokongo, Musi. Omo election marriage, look, yes. I'm a presenter, I'm an actor. I am the co-host on your favorite breakfast TV show, Jiribi. So, what else? That's just me.
So, I would have loved her to do a quick interpretation of what she said, but because of our time.
You don't want to go there.
So, moving on. Today, I'm sure you have seen the movie called Onitemi. People love her character, people love the show, they love the fame and all those things. They love what she did.
Yeah, the trouble.
She's looking all sweet right now, but
I am actually sweet.
SEFUNMI, the SEFUNMI that I know is very troublesome. So today, I brought her here today so that we'll talk about the film that we did together called Onitemi. Yeah. If you have not seen the film, it's currently showing on Rare TV. I'm going to drop the link to watch the film below this post. Please ensure, click, watch, subscribe, share with your friends and your enemies.
Clicks.
But I'm sure you don't have enemies. So now today we're going to talk about how she's able to play the character SEFUNMI, the challenges, the impact of SEFUNMI and all that. So I'll just let her do the talking.
You know, the thing is, every one of my friends that I've seen Onitemi was just like, Dami, this is you. And I'm like, no, that is not me. But they keep saying this is you, this is you. I don't understand it. I'm not troublesome. You see,
she can actually be sweet.
I'm a very sweet person. She can testify, but no, people said that is me. And I think why they said that is because I tried my best to bring the character to life. When it came to me, it was like, hello. That's where it started from.
Well, actually, hello. We don't have much episodes.
But he said he wanted a strong character, somebody people would like, people would love, somebody that people would almost want to kiss and at the same time want to slap. So I guess I'm that sweet, annoying character. So, but I had fun being SEFUNMI. I had fun. In fact, it took me a while after we finished shooting the movie to come out of the character SEFUNMI because I was just being troublesome. I'm like, okay, I know what SEFUNMI, can you just calm down? But it was fun. I had fun shooting, playing SEFUNMI. It was fun.
So, can you just want that something?
Yes, another thing I like is the person that played my husband. It really helped me, trust me. So they would just be like, SEFUNMI, like it made it so sweet. The synergy for me now. The synergy, the connection. We have not met before then, but when it came around, it was just like, the person playing my wife. We just clicked. I don't know how. Oh, I guess that is what it takes being an actor. But the synergy, I like the synergy. I like the connection. I had fun actually. I really had fun.
So the DAMILOLA ONI, aka
Kotokongo.
Omo Ari
Kotokongo.
That's deep. That's deep. So now, can you just quickly tell us the challenges you faced becoming SEFUNMI?
You know, there was this part of the prayer thing, and if you remember, you really wanted it to be intense. You said, I want it to be shouts, pray.
That part where she was saying,
Yoruba woman.
She was saying,
that part, you know, it was a bit challenging because normally me and God, the way we communicate is like, I'll just be like, God, you know, today I'm just broke, just provide. That is how I communicate with God. You know, I do it like, okay, he's my father, I can talk to him anytime I want to. But she wanted me to pray the normal Yoruba woman, extra woman way. So it was like,
you know, it's a matter of the heart. You know, she's trying to protect her home, her husband. So she's going to be so.
And then I've never been married. So my husband. I'm like, wow, the man choose the husband divine to the long. But it was fun. It was fun. It was really fun. And then another challenge I had is the part where I have to be a mother. I've never been a mother, so I didn't know how to. But it just came naturally, I guess. He made it easy. Like, be conscious of the fact that you're a mother, you're a mom. How will a mom, a new mom, behave? She's going to be insecure about her body, especially. So I want you to put that in your consciousness and act it. So that was what he told me, and I tried my best to play that out.
Obviously, you tried your best because people seem to love the character, seem to love the performance.
I love you guys too.
At some point, I was expecting people to want to, strangle this SEFUNMI. But I'm not surprised because like, SEFUNMI is cute. I'm like,
see?
Don't be deceived, guys. Strangle her. She's evil. But
a wife like SEFUNMI.
She's a sweet boy.
And I loved my husband.
Yes, and your husband, of course, loves you.
Yes, he does.
So now, as DAMILOLA the ONI, DAMILOLA ONI,
yes,
the actor, I'm sure you've done some other projects before now. Can you tell us the reception of what you've done before now and this one, the difference, how this one affects you?
I really liked the way SEFUNMI, the way people felt about SEFUNMI, or the way people are feeling because they're still watching the movie about SEFUNMI. Why? There was this series, Africa Magic Yoruba, Borokini, and
our Borokini.
I played Susan in Borokini. The character is quite she's sexy, she's sexually appealing, it's an erotic role. So I tend to strike people as hey, that chest, hey, that girl. People want to swallow me when they see me. But when I played SEFUNMI, people saw me in another light. Like, okay, she can be a sweet wife, a mother. Like, it was just nice that people switched from seeing the sexual Susan to the lovely SEFUNMI, the wife SEFUNMI. So I think I like the reception. Yes, I like the fact that people came from that. And then, people who watch Ajirebi, to the people who watch Ajirebi, like, this mommy that is on Ajirebi. So from the mommy on Ajirebi to the erotic Susan to the wifey, the lovely wife in SEFUNMI, like, it was just Onitemi. It was just I like it. I think what I want to play next is maybe a loving mother to a very stubborn son. Yes, I'm going to be disciplined and I'm going to be loving at the same time. I think I'll
Guys, do you think we should make that movie? Well, if you want us to make that movie, drop the comment.
Yes, so drop it. Tell me. Or what do you want me to do? Just tell me.
Alright, yes, I think we should put it that way.
Yeah.
So vote what you want to see, the roles you want to see her play next.
Yes. I will use your comments.
DAMILOLA. Now, after Onitemi, after being SEFUNMI, what has life been with you? Okay, I've done this character, moved on to the next thing. How has playing SEFUNMI shaping your life? What's the reception? How do people perceive you when they meet you on the way? There are people that in the old Nollywood, even to date, there are people that when they see them say, a Jenny woman, this woman is a witch, they want to do all sorts of things.
Yeah, I get you.
So, have you any occurrences with people when they see you on the road and they try to relate to you based on what you play?
Okay, I think the most I have is on Instagram. People just come to my page and comment, SEFUNMI, I love you. And then somebody even took one of my styles like on Instagram, and then the person tried to make the style like from the stylist, and then the person posted and said, copy my beautiful SEFUNMI in Onitemi. And then I'm like, okay, people really like SEFUNMI. So the reception is great. Like, people love SEFUNMI. People really love SEFUNMI. Like, I don't even know what I did.
There was even a post I saw, a lady in the US, I think, posted a picture, and then after, all those, what do people call it? Posting the picture and the caption. Yes. He now said, Oluwalo SEFUNMI. And I'm sure she had seen the SEFUNMI.
Onitemi.
And then I asked a question in the comment section, like, Are you also Shefumi? So you know that she picked the name from the movie. I'm like,
can you
wow.
imagine?
So Shefumi is actually somebody's role model.
Yes, so she is. And then the way people loved Shefumi encouraged me in my career as an actor, because I didn't know that I have this self-doubt. Like, I feel there are 1,000,001 actors in the world, and then how do you have a niche for yourself? How do you excel? How do you stand out? But when I played Shefumi, I noticed that people loved her. People loved me in that role. And so for people to love me, I just feel, okay, I'm doing something right. That means I played the character nicely. I've done something excellent. That is why people can reckon with the fact that, Shefumi, she killed that role, she killed that character. All the comments on YouTube, I love them. Thank you very much. God bless you. So it has really helped my career, trust me. And then the next movie I did, the next film I did with Libra TV.
Okay.
It really helped me, because I just felt like, okay, I'm an actor. Damn it, I'm an actor. So I just
you got the confidence.
I just got the confidence, to do me, to play the character that I was given. And then people started noticing, and people were like, you did well, you've done well, you are doing well. So it really encouraged me as an actor.
By the way, guys, we are sorry for this sweat. My damsel, my beautiful Shefumi is sweating. I don't know if I can get a tissue. So I'm sorry. We just had to put off the fan so that you could hear us clearly. We are really sorry. Please, she's a very sweet person. Ignore the sweat and all that. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. So quickly, because of the heat, we are trying to try to round up this session so I can free my damsel to continue being our own usual damsel. So, Damilola, what is your philosophy about relationship, marriages? I know you have never been married, neither have I. I've not been married too. But how do you think, judging from what you played in Onitemi, what is your philosophy about marriage, newlyweds, the philosophy of
I think something I learned in Onitemi is there is no way to doing the right thing or being the right person or having a healthy relationship. Just do you. Do whatever works for you. Shefumi was lovely. You would love her. But at the same time, she was overprotective. So it was working for her. Her husband loved it to an extent. Maybe she got overzealous, if that is the word. But she was doing what she knows how to do best. She was doing herself. She was doing how best she thinks it can work. So there's no way to a relationship. There's no particular, how do I call it? There's no instruction. There's no book written that you have to follow. Just do what works for you in the relationship. Just stay healthy.
Thank you. I think this will be my last question.
Okay.
Because the purpose of this vlog is to show our fans, our people, the challenges, how we make these films they see and appreciate, and then to also encourage whoever wants to pick a career in this that wants to do so. Quickly, Damilola, what are your advices, or your opinion to other people that also want to be like you, that want to be on TV either as a presenter or want to go into acting? How do you think they can kickstart a career in that?
My advice will be, first, have it at the back of your mind that nobody can be like you. Your art is different. Whether you are acting like anybody, any actor, name it, your art is different. There is something peculiar to you. There is something that you have that nobody has. So with that consciousness, carry yourself. Like, okay, I've got this, I can do this. This is what I want to do, and then pursue it relentlessly. I've discovered that consistency is key. That is one thing I know about you. Consistency is key. He's always there. He's always doing something. I really appreciate that about him. Consistency. I don't know. There is this actor that I used to be like, what is this girl acting? What is this girl acting? From 2015, 2016, what is this girl acting? What is this? 2017, I saw a movie and I'm like, okay, she has really improved. Like, she has really, she has come a long way. She has improved, and now people really want to reckon with her. People want to see her because she did not relent. If she now says, my acting is whack, I'm not acting again, do you really want it? How bad do you want it? So when you know how bad you want it, chase it consistently. Be consistent with whatever you're doing. And then of course there's the G factor. There is always God. Always put God into whatever
God
you're
and
doing.
grace. One of my friends will say benevolent
Grace.
You already know if
Yes,
you know,
so we offend you.
So thank you very much for coming. Like, if you're not going to pick anything, you should pick these two things she has said: the consistency, the God factor, that is grace, and all that. And then keep working, keep working,
just keep doing what
keep
you
working.
want.
Someday it might just click. You
Trust
might
me.
say, okay, I've been going for auditions, they're not picking me.
Like me now.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
Ambassadorship is coming.
Yes, so even if I'm looking for ambassadorship,
Okay, just keep going, guys.
Keep going.
It's nice to talk to you all. Thank you for the love on YouTube and on YouTube. Please keep watching.
Please endorse show the Storyteller TV. The Storyteller TV.
You people share Epic. Subscribe to his TV, please.
If you have not seen Onitemi, go and check it out. It is on Rare TV on YouTube.
Yes.
I'm going to drop a link to a direct link to watch the video on this post. Please check it out, and please subscribe to the Storyteller TV.
Thank you.
Please help us. Share this video. Drop a comment, share with your friends and enemies, and I know you don't have enemies, by the way. So please, and you need
me. Thank you for the love. I appreciate it.
Really appreciate
SEFUNMI appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Love ya.
Thank you.
Thank you.